Hello, it's Hannah from Exeude. We're here down in Exmouth to fit one of our CNC machined aluminium gear knobs in our friend George's T5 transporter van. Okay, so let's have a look and see what's in the box. Okay, so in here we've got one of our ribbed design gear knobs, and we're going to put on today a blue cap. Okay, we also include the Torx bit tool and some simple instructions. Okay, so simply unclip the top, unscrew prise off that, keeping hold of the spring, place the spring, line up the gear knob itself, place the line here, screw in, and then so we're going for the blue cap, clip on top. Easy as that. Got installed one of our CNC machined aluminium gear knobs, and we're going to replace the cap for a maple one. Okay, so simply prise the blue cap off, just attached by magnets. So prise that off, re-clip on our maple design. Good to go. Check our eBay store and have a look at some of the designs we've got.